How to make Google form that does not require sign in to fill. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can make Google form that does not require sign in to fill the form. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Google form in your device and open up the form where you want to make that it does not require sign in to fill the form. So once you have opened up your form, now navigate to top section. There is the settings. Click on settings. So once you're on the settings, click on this responses. Scroll down a bit and there is one section here that says requires sign in. Just under that there is one toggle that says respondents will be required to sign in to Google. So here all you have to do is turn off this toggle. Now this form will not require sign in to fill the form, so without signing into the account anyone could fill up this form. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.